Good morning, everyone. This is Abo Julina, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Study. This is a continuation of Lou's report in Region 8, Eastern Visayas. Natural resources in Region 8 is Eastern Visayas. The region sees in islands water a rich of sources of salt and fresh water, fish and other marine product. It is one of the fish exploring region of the country. There are substantial forests reserved in the interior of the islands. Its mineral deposit include chromite, uranium in Samar, gold, silver, manganese, magnesium, bronze, nickel, clay, coal, limestone, pyrites, and sand and gravel, and also it has an abundance of the thermal energy and water resources to support the needs of the medium and heavy industry. Samar. Samar, officially the province of Samar, formerly named as Western Samar, in the province of Philippines located in the Eastern Visayas region. It's composed of 24 municipalities, 951 barangays, and its capital in the two cities of Catalogan and Calbayo. Major environmental problem. Province of Samar have a critical environmental phenomenon brought about the natural processes such as rainfall anticides, floods, earthquake, surface water runoff, and man-made activities that can harm on the environment such as illegal cutting of trees and shifting cultivation. Local government of Samar is experiencing difficulties in developing management plan due to the lack of solid waste management. This could be seen in the accumulated garbage that can be seen in the street due to the failure of collection of garbages that could be observed in many instances. Possible solution. The local government of the province of Samar should seriously undertake materials, resources recovery and recycling program. The LGU should also provide technical facilities, intensive awareness campaign, and strict implementation of the law. Establish a land proper selection of landfill, which should involve an evaluation of engineering, environmental, and economic criteria. Intensive education and proper disposal of waste since the data of illegal dumping is very alarming in the province of Samar. Have implemented policy to the local ordinance with corresponding lines and penalties. Southern Leyte. Southern Leyte is the province in the Philippines located in the Eastern Visayas region, its capital and the city of Maasin. Southern Leyte is comprises the 3rd congressional district in Leyte until it was made into the independent province in 1959. The province originally composed of 16 municipalities and 349 barangays with 4 islands: Panaon Islands, Limasiwa Islands, San Pedro Islands, and lastly, San Pablo Islands. Major environmental problem. Most of the rubbish generated in the local population in the southern Leyte end up in the seas. The real problem is there is no effective domestic rubbish collection in the communities and no province-wide waste disposal system in place. So the beauty of coral reefs are become to menace marine life through overfishing caused by the gill net fishing. So the dominance of coral caused by the use of a fish trap and even more. Nets and rubbish struggling the coral reefs and killing the marine animals. So the southern Leyte is prone of natural disaster such as flooding, landslide, and forest fire, and also earthquake and tsunami are considered a critical threat in that place. Possible solution. The Southern Leyte government needs to lead the way and provide an environmentally friendly system of waste collection and disposal. The municipal established multi-sectoral forest protection committee, strengthen law enforcement, and conduct paralegal training, information, and education campaign on disaster preparedness and risk reduction. Hazard survey and mapping, establish firelands, and build capacity in forest management. Ormoc City. Ormoc is a highly urbanized coastal port city, serving as economic, cultural, commercial, and transportation hubs of Western Leyte. The city locations vast agricultural, lands, and coastal sites endow in the natural resources, marine biodiversity, and natural tourist spots. Ormoc is the second most populous city in the Leyte province after Tacloban and provincial capital. Ormoc is a politically subdivided into 110 barangays. Major environmental problem. Ormoc is highly susceptible for natural hazard and extreme weather event. A number of barangay in Ormoc located along the shores and particularly vulnerable to flooding, although the rural agricultural areas are also the high risk to disaster. Ormoc region was devastated by the tropical storm. Massive flash floods, triggered by the heavy rain and mudslides, were responsible for killing of thousands of people. Possible solution. The city government of Ormoc and a technical working group and a core team were created and conduct an initial action plan that outlines the city's specific program and strategies to migrate that problems. The cities also boast a geographic information system which was used as early in its disaster preparedness. Another project of the city is to reduce carbon emission and improve the lives of people. The last but not the least, Tacloban City. Tacloban City is the largest city and regional center of Eastern Visayas region of province. It is also a capital city of Leyte and it's a center of commerce, tourism, education, culture, and government in the region. Tacloban is located in Cancanbato Bay in the San Juanico Strait, which divided the islands of Leyte and Samar. According to census, it has a population of 178,639 people in 34,758 households and subdivided into 138 barangays. Environmental problem. The selected areas of Tacloban where mostly many environmental problems are there, like garbages scattering over the places in the seas and in various places. People of Tacloban City are throwing away their garbages just because they can get away with it, or to finish their work done smoothly. Not only garbages, but also destroying the habitat of trees and plants, knowing illegal logging or deforestation. The possible solution of that problem, Tacloban government conduct a policy to stop an illegal logging and mining that result in flood and landslide, not only in Tacloban but also in the other places. Although there are technology steps to prevent this happening, still it could cause some side effect in the environment. Environmental organization of Tacloban and local volunteers unite against plastic population in Tacloban. For leading the first cleanup toast has been regularly conducted basura runs once a week. Since Tacloban City is prone of calamities like typhoon, landslide, and many more. So as a student, we must follow the way by starting and taking care to our surrounding and in the environment. It is one way to make the world better place. And for sure, we always live and to be proud to our Mother Earth.